Hi friends, it's Amber. I'm at Quilts Plus, and this is the 12 days of Christmas, and we're going to go over the deal of the day today. Yesterday I mentioned a product called Odicoat, and it is a waterproofing product. Well, since I mentioned it, I figured I better tell you about it and show you how it works. I've got a piece of fabric here, and it's setting on a piece of parchment paper. It comes in a little pot like this. And it almost looks like glue. I'll bring this so Julie can get a good shot of that.
Ooh.
It's creamy color. It comes with a little spatula. Looks like a credit card, but it doesn't work like one. Okay, so I've got the Odicoat on the card. I'm gonna take it and apply it to my piece. And I'm just getting a good coat on there. It looks nice and damp, as it should, but I also don't want any puddling going on while I'm doing this. So that's why we use the spatula to get a good, even coat. It doesn't take long. You can apply more than one coat of this to make it even more waterproof. The way it is right now with just one coat, it will wipe out, but it's not totally waterproof. The more coats you put on, the more waterproof it becomes. When it dries, it's almost a satin sheen that it has to it. Okay, that's about all it takes to do that. This is going to dry for 30 minutes, and then it will be dry to the touch, but it won't be perfectly dry. You really want to wait 12 hours before you use it. And when I'm going to make a piece of this into something, I prepare it with the Odicoat before I cut the piece out. So this is a piece bigger than I really need. Once it's all ready, then I will cut it to size. When you iron this, you're going to want to use parchment paper because the Odicoat is a glue-like substance. It will probably melt if you put your iron on it. You don't want to do that. It doesn't melt through the parchment paper, but you don't want your iron sticking to it. So that's just a little word of warning. Yesterday I showed you the little bowl that I made that I used Odicoat in. This is for crackers. That way I don't have to wash it every time I use it, and the oil won't sink in. Now, the way I'm holding my little hole shut is using Wonder Clips. And that's another of our features today, are the Wonder Clips. We have both sizes, or two sizes. We have the standard small Wonder Clips, which to me are the ones I use the very most. And they are normally $35, and today they're $29.75. And the other Wonder Clips are the large ones. These I use for bags, and I also use them to hold fabric pieces together. If I have a big stack of like 1 1/4 inch pieces, I'll clip them to this. And if you notice this little sticker that's on my Wonder Clip, that shows the size piece I've got, 1 1/4 inch pieces that are going to clip together. Now these Wonder Clips are $26 regularly, and today they're going to be $22.10. The stickers that I've got on this one has a 1 inch, so these are for 1 inch pieces. These are removable. They're vinyl, they're reusable, restickable. So when you're done, I would just take that back off, stick it on the little piece of paper it came from, and then it's ready for your next use. And then I have some little 1 and 2 stickers on my Wonder Clips. Those are for rows. These stickers that I'm showing you come in a packet with 3 different colors. There's the teal, the kind of yellowy color, and then the coral. So it gives you a wide variety of options. If you have an A and a B or a AA, you have color combinations to sort them out, or you can use all one color on one project. Either way, this is a great tool just to help you organize your pieces. That is normally $10, and today it's on sale for $8.50. So I believe that the only thing I haven't told you the cost on is the Odicoat. That is normally $13 and today it's $11. What a deal. We would love to have you come and visit us today or call us. Some of you have been writing to us on Facebook. We don't monitor that all the time, so if you would call us instead, even if you call before work, and you don't have to leave your credit card number over the phone, we'll call you back and get it from you. But give us a call. That way, if we try and have a decent amount in stock, but today we ran low quick. So please give us a call at 269-383-1790. We'll be happy to help you. We'd love to see your face. We love connecting with you. And Merry Christmas.